Here is our queen of the night. We have 6 flowers blooming. Take a look to our queen of the night. We have 6 flowers blooming. Queen of the night. Our queen of the night. We are 6 blooming. Queen of the night. Here's the leaves of the queen of the night. Here are the flowers. They are blooming. 6 pieces. Take a look, guys. Here are our queen of the night. They are blooming. They are blooming. So here are 2 others. They are the new flower. They are small bud. There, take a look. There are 2, as you can see. It's a small bud. They will bloom after 1 month. Here it is. They are blooming. Take a look, guys. It smells fragrant. There are 3. Here are 2. And that's the other one. They are blooming. They're so beautiful. Pure white.